You know, sometimes this life keep going. I'd have been knocked down 1,000 times. Yeah, I traveled around 1,000 miles. Feeling so tired, but you know I can't stop now. Came way too far, won't throw in the towel. It ain't right here. Demons all around, but I ain't got no. We ain't going nowhere. We'll be standing right here until the end of time. Till the end of time. We ain't going nowhere. We'll be standing right here until time. Yeah, been through a whole lot, but we overcome.
Hey guys, welcome back to Turner Outdoors. Today is October the 1st. It's about 9 o'clock. We are fishing on Lake Cherokee, and this is the first time I have ever filmed on this lake. I'm pretty excited, and I'm kind of down near the river, where the river runs out into the lake. We're at Quarryville Free Boat Launch in Mooresburg. So I'm just excited to be fishing this lake, excited to take you all with me. So we're gonna put the boat in, get out with my cousin, and try to go catch some fish, so stay with us. Guys, we got the first fish of Cherokee. We've actually been fishing for 2.5 hours. We've not got the bite down, man. This place is definitely not like Norris. And we came down right towards the river. So I don't know if we might have made a mistake coming down this far, but I just figured the bait would be mostly down here like it is on Norris, like on the clinch side or the pow side. So but I caught this fish, didn't even have my GoPro on, it was dead. Caught it on the buzz bait right over here in this little pocket. The wind was kind of, I had another bite and it grabbed, I think, on a small, when I get small bites on this buzz bait, they'll latch on to the tail, but first fish. Scared me to death. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Yes. GoPro's on. Okay. Be easy. Be easy. Right on that flat too. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Dude, you're gonna have to get him. You've got about 8 pound test on. Here. Hang on.
Oh, get him. Hang on. I'm getting him. Hang on.
Okay.
Hang on.
Oh, just on the flat, baby. Just on that flat.
Oh boy, that's a big one.
Oh.
Woo, that's a good
Guys, so
he's a big one.
we were fishing the flats, and we have been fishing for about 2 hours, and the video that me and Cameron were fishing is exactly what had just happened. So I was throwing the buzz bait and Nealon was throwing the spook, and I threw in front of this fish I don't know how many times, probably 2 or 3 times, and they're hitting the spooks. And this fish, dude, it don't look as big as what it is, but this is a very big fish. Got it. Oh. Yes. But you didn't see him? He swiped right at it. Okay. Yeah, he swiped right at it. Dang. Oh. got it. Oh, you see it? Oh, second fish I've lost. Ah. Well, we know where they're at now. Where I've been. Uh-oh. I don't get it. I don't get it. I've missed 2 back to back. How? If I had that buzz bait, I'd literally sling it in that pocket. Oh my, look here now. Oh!
Dude, how are
Woo! Woo! I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, but I'm freaking out because them 2 were literally keepers. Oh my, well, I just carried it out. Dude, how am I missing these fish?
I don't know.
I've missed 3.
I'm gonna throw right here though.
Just throw. That's unreal. Gosh, them were good fish. I think I'll get that. Got him. Yep. Good one. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Okay. Oh yes. Okay. 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 All right, guys. We've got the 3rd fish. Dude, we literally came up to this tree, and you'll see it on my GoPro. I missed 2, and I don't know how. I think my spook is a little bit bigger, and England's throwing the smaller one. So we've actually, within 30 minutes, I've actually missed 3. And we're coming up with something. We're finally figuring them out.
After about 4 hours. Oh yeah. What's the depth? We are 13 foot. 13 feet. I'm gonna try a spook right there. Yep, man, might as well. Look here. Got him? Yep. Oh. Oh, it's a good fish. Get the net. Oh, it's a good fish. Yes, okay. Oh, that is a good one. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Here we go, guys.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Got it on camera too. Yes.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We got the 4th fish. Is that the 4th or what is it?
That's 4th or 5th.
Yeah, 4th fish. And I actually caught it on my speed crawl. Or no, it's not a speed crawl. It's a what's this bait called? What's this bait? It's made by Zoom. It's like a crawl type deal.
Leave it in the comments, guys.
Yeah. So finally I grabbed a hold of one. I was fishing right in this brush, and he took a hold of it, man. That's 2 pounds.
That's
a pretty good fish, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a good fish.
Really good
Healthy.
Fish. Heavy, 2 pounds. Heavy, man. That's a good solid fish. So there we go, guys. Lake Cherokee. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Okay.
I gotta throw some. Here. Go ahead. Just don't break me off.
Look at these stripes.
What's going on, man?
I don't know. Look at these stripes.
They're hybrids is what they are. I think it's them hybrids.
Look, Eric. I just had one.
I'll never get him in the boat, Christian.
Dude, I just had one. This is awesome.
I'll never get him in the boat.
Damn.
Oh, I'm getting
Dude,
him.
I got a huge one.
Oh, God.
Oh! I got a huge one.
Dude, hey, I might need the net, man. I about got mine in.
Guys, I cannot move this fish.
Where's that net?
Do you really? It's right in front of you, bro. Look at all these fish, guys. I've got a oh my gosh. Dude, I got a monster on. I mean, bro.
I know. Thank you.
Yes.
Mine's taking off here.
Okay. Mine is huge, bro.
I feel like mine's pretty big.
Oh. There you go.
We'll be here all day.
Bro.
Dude, it's gonna take a while to get these
Look
in.
at this. I'm getting mine in, dude. Oh.
Oh my God, Christian.
Oh.
Dude, here, your net's behind me. The net's behind me.
Okay.
I can't let go. You'll have to net it yourself.
Okay.
But hurry, because I need to net mine.
Okay. I gotta give this to Felix. Look at the rockfish, bro. Okay, get him in that net. Oh.
Get him, Chris. I gotta get him in, get him. There he is.
Woo! Oh my gosh,
Dude,
bro.
that's a big one.
Dude.
Here, you need to help me get mine, though.
They're everywhere. Gosh.
I'm just gonna tire mine out.
Dude, look how big it's.
Oh my God,
dude.
I've gotta get, we gotta double up.
All right, guys, so Neil's still hooked up.
Man.
Okay. Here. What's he gonna be?
Here he comes, he's coming up, he's coming up.
Okay.
He's gonna come out of the water. He's
Oh,
gonna come out of the water.
Dude, take your drag. Just let him. Just fight him out.
He's coming in.
Just
You ready?
fight.
You ready?
Yeah,
You ready?
yeah,
Come
yeah.
get him. He's gonna go back down, but
I hope.
I'll try to get him up here. You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Son. Okay.
Oh, now that
was
is
fun,
dude. Bro.
Now that was some fun.
That's
right there,
fun,
boys.
son.
God.
Look
How
here,
did we get
guys.
so lucky? You think, boys? Yeah.
All right, guys. I'll go ahead and release mine. Gonna go ahead and release my fish here. There he goes. There he goes. All right, he's releasing his. Small one first.
Oh, big girl here.
Now we got the big one. Gosh almighty.
Go on, girl.
It's a big fish.
That is a big one.
Big fish. Look at it swim.
Yeah.